The habit of talking to our inner self is so deeply ingrained in us that many people struggle to break it. This act, similar to the instinctive urges of hunger and thirst, is a facet of our innate, the nature of man. This never-ending internal dialogue is not within our grasp because it runs as an intrinsic current through our being. A realm exists within the vast landscape of our consciousness. We can indeed direct the nature and trajectory of these internal dialogues, but surprisingly, many of us are unaware of the profound consequences. These conversations shape the contours of our life's canvas. Much like the wisdom contained in the saying mentioned in yesterday's video, our internal conversations serve as the very foundation from which the tapestry of our existence unfolds. However, we have a tendency to overlook that. These well-worn mental corridors pave the way for our thoughts. We yearn to direct the course of our lives in the direction of our dreams. Yet, through ancient spiritual wisdoms, we grapple with the weight of our past dialogues. This journey resonates as the old self is replaced by the renewing spirit of the mind, the manifestation of our internal musings. Our spoken words are a mirror in which our thoughts are revealed. To orchestrate a transformation of our thoughts, we must first tune the instrument of our speech, the internal conversations. So, as we journey through the voyage of existence, may we remember that within the vast expanse of our own thoughts lie the secrets of shaping our destiny to shepherd our dream. We must embark on a pilgrimage into reality, a journey in which the echoes of yesteryear's dialogues fade, and the synthesis of new keys takes root in an unnoticed and automatic manner. We unknowingly participate in these inner dialogues, but as humans, it is our responsibility to become aware of them and direct them with intention. Our inner thoughts are the threads that weave the fabric of our lives. These quiet conversations within that orchestrate are also the grand symphony of our existence. We frequently surrender to the embrace of negative inner dialogues while yearning for control of our lives. Yet, many of us are aware that it is these very conversations that sow the seeds of disillusionment and adversity, leading us through never-ending cycles of wandering. In this struggle, we must pause to recognize that the compass of our life ship is within our grasp and understanding, but it is obscured by our own unexplored territory. Inner voices, the stories we tell ourselves, are the architects of our reality, shaping our encounters with the world. Our inner thoughts wield a brush, painting the tapestry of our experiences and attempting to reshape the external world. While the internal conversations remain unchanged, it resembles a cosmic dance against the natural rhythm of life. External occurrences are echoes of internal conversations. We cultivate a dance in which our thoughts take shape. In reality, we are the embodiment of our beliefs and musings. These currents are Forge's current mental dialogues. Even in the midst of immediacy, the mold of what is yet to come. The ripple effects of our actions cause transformations that extend beyond the scope of our vision. The solemn introspection that ignites the fire of transformation, not the clamor of our voices, is what calls for change. A work inspired by the art of attentive listening. The stage on which life plays out, its events and companions, are a mirror that reflects the theater of our minds. The key to conscious creation is found in the spoken word of our thoughts, which arises from the realm of fulfilled desires. We draw the magic of transformation from this sacred wellspring, not through proclamation, but through attentive listening. Within the inner expanse of our thoughts, a profound alchemy unfolds. Our internal dialogues find their counterpart in the external tapestry of events. Thus, in order to perceive the world we desire, we must first paint it on the canvas of our minds. The art of harnessing our inner speech serves as our compass, guiding us into a world where the spoken word shapes reality. As we awaken a steadfast conviction that sets our desires in motion when we articulate our aspirations before they materialize. This imaginative power is then transformed into a conduit, following our mental realm's vast potential into the realm of the tangible. Consider your ambitions now. Do the conversations that are meaningful to you internally align with the grand design? You want to create a synergy between your inner dialogues and your imagined reality. As the ancient proverb suggests, two souls walk side by side only when they share a common purpose. As with the dialogue within, it must strike a chord with the world you wish to manifest. Seek refuge, embrace accurate inner speech, a dialogue that mirrors conversations with an idealized self. The mind and speech are two sacred gifts bestowed on humanity, according to ancient wisdom. When gifts are wisely managed, they become beacons that guide not only through the labyrinth of existence, but also into the ethereal realms beyond the corporeal. Let us consider Genesis. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God. And the Word was God, and His words were like the offspring of thought, an inherent resonance that sends out emissaries of our inner frequencies throughout creation. They reach out, summoning harmonies that are in tune with our desires. This symphony of expression possesses quantifiable power, a universal echo that shapes our reality in accordance with the cadence of our intentions within the sanctuary of our thoughts. A profound influence stirs a force comparable to the sacred word, shaping not only the realm within, but also the realm that unfolds around us as ancient teachings intimate, the union of thought and speech heralds the birthing of life itself, an illumination that imparts profound wisdom. Your internal dialogue and you work together to reshape your destiny. Your mind's canvas must be painted. A new transformation begins with your innermost conversations. It is critical that the echoes within resonate harmoniously in order to manifest your dreams. Reflect upon the essence of language. The Bible echoes that the word resides near within the chambers of our mouths and hearts, with the world you yearn to bring forth. This essence empowers choice by providing a compass to choose life over death, goodness over malevolence, blessings over curses, and aligning your thoughts with the good and pure for your tomorrows. Draw nourishment from the divine word, the source of your internal speech. Our fate is rooted in the fidelity of our origins, just as the yield reflects the seed zone. So, our harvest of success corresponds to the seeds we plant in our minds. So, pause and reflect. If success is your quest, then the seeds of success must be tenderly sown in your thoughts. The paradigm shift begins when you walk as if success is already within your reach, inviting you to walk. Know this digital source lies within the truths you internalize rather than in the exterior realm of facts. As a result, external truths may conflict with our inner narratives. However, persist in upholding your truths, and they will eventually harmonize with your reality. This, dear friends, is the alchemy of thought, a testament to the fact that our perceptions shape our world, with each belief serving as a stepping stone in shaping the tapestry of our existence. Emanations follow our convictions, not the other way around, as if our beliefs carve. The path ahead, the transformation of our inner speech, mirrors the birth of a new identity. Much like garments of transformation, meticulously outline the contours of your aspiration as you visualize the birth of your desired self. It's similar to creating a statue of the person. You strive to be visualized too, the raiment of your fulfilled self, and to fervently embrace its essence. This fusion of belief and sensation becomes a fertile ground, and it is through this rich soil that your ideal self emerges. Imagine yourself as the embodiment of your ambitions in this profound story. Keep this image in mind at all times, because life unfolds as a stage for us to shape our desires through imagination. Here, you are both creator and creation, pushing the limits of your creative potential. Revelations about your relationship with this powerful tool emerge amid the theater of inner dialogue. So beware of the echoes that reverberate within, whether you wield this power constructively or otherwise. Many form deep attachments to these damaging conversations, using them as an instrument to justify their own shortcomings, criticize others, and even derive pleasure from the suffering of fellow beings in this cycle. Violence is perpetuated to see success. One must let go of the script of a failed past and replace it with the dialogue of a triumphant self. This shift heralds a transformation, a liberation from old narratives. Instead, our tool in this journey is imagination and the dialogues that resonate with your most accomplished self. When used with intention, force can weave the fabric of our reality. Consider the imagination to be a bridge that ushers thought into the realm of the real. It serves as a conduit, allowing the intangible to take form, the very process by which the desired state of being is hewn into existence. Consider how imagination invites us to engage with our dreams as palpable realities, embracing them in the present where streams of possibility course through the confluence of now. A strange phenomenon emerges in the face of resistance, much like a weather vane directs our attention to internal barriers, hidden obstacles that obstruct our journey towards our envisioned future self. It's a call for awareness, for focused inquiry into the impediments that stand between us and our aspirations. Let's decode our current encounters, unraveling the threads of existence's intricate tapestries. Often shrouded in mystery, you'll find them woven from the strands of our unspoken conversations sewn together. They nurture states of mind, and when unfavorable circumstances arise, they bear a message, a shift in the menu of thoughts that nourishes our consciousness like bread and sustains the body. Words is required. As biblical wisdom asserts, the emanations of the mind nourish our mental landscape. That man does not live solely on bread. However, as custodians of our mental realm, we must tend to our minds with noble and loving thoughts in response to the divine utterances flowing from God's mouth. We can nurture a landscape of harmony and grace by cultivating a garden of benevolent thoughts. Channel your imagination's energy, shifting it from the realm of thought and emotion to the realm of the tangible, the world you can see, hear, and touch. So broaden your horizons. Imagine yourself vividly, as if you're immersed in reality as you seek. In this dynamic engagement with the imagination, a fire awakens an ember that ignites the spirit of fulfillment and inner relief, becoming a potent ignition of creation. Consider yourself not in some faraway place, but right here. And now, use your imagination to bridge the gap between what was and what will be, seeing yourself in your mind's eye existing in the desired location. The version of you that reflects your aspirations in this realm of imagining adds heat to the conversations you have with him. If you're in a conversation that corresponds to what you'd say and do in that imagined reality, you've woven a thread connecting the past and the present, but be cautious. For resistance, hence an anomaly in your inner conversations, see it as an invitation, a summons to delve deeper into your thoughts and feelings. Such resistance can be a signpost pointing to beliefs that bind, views that linger, or doubts that remain hidden. Confront them for acceptance and resolution. Hold the keys to breaking down these barriers, participate in this exercise, and witness the remarkable transformative power of this journey. Imagination becomes a guide, a powerful catalyst for shaping reality according to your dream's blueprint. I hope this information inspires you as you embark on your co-creation journey. Dear friend, may we create a reality in which our internal dialogue is in sync with our deepest desires and aspirations. If this video spoke to you, I invite you to like and subscribe to our channel, as well as share it with loved ones who could benefit from this message. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and joining me, and I see you soon. Thank you very much.